Why are you worried? Is this the first time na nagkasakit ka? No. Pinagaling ka ng Lord before. Bakit hindi ka niya kayang pagalingin ngayon? Is this the first time that you've been broke? No. But if God did it before, He can surely did it again. Niligtas ka ng Panginoon ngayon, kaya niyang gawin uli ngayon. Ginawa ng Lord noong 1993, kayang gawin ng Lord sa 2023. Because the last time I checked, ang sabi mismo ng ating Panginoong Jesus, I am the same yesterday, today, and forever. Ibig sabihin, if I can do it before, I can surely do it again. Put your confidence in the Lord. Ilagay mo ang tiwala mo at ang confidence mo sa Diyos sa gitna ng mga setbacks sa iyong buhay. And by the way, if you are saying right now, Pastor, hindi yata para sa akin ang message na to kasi napakaganda po ng buhay ko, matindi po ang takbo, parang hindi po ako dumaranas ng setback. Just wait. It will come. At pag dumating yung tagpo na yun 2 years later, make sure na meron ka ng link na to, balikan mo to because this is a good reminder for all of us na kahit may mga setbacks sa buhay natin, we should put our confidence in Him and in Him alone. Gagawin ni Satan ang lahat para yung pananampalataya mo mag-crumble, madurog, at ikaw mismo ang sumuko. Ano ba ang objective ni Satan? I've learned lang na ang objective ni Satan is to destroy you and to make sure that your faith will be fragile. As I call it, pananampalatayang babasagin. Pananampalatayang madaling mabasag. Pananampalatayang madaling madurog. Mga pananampalatayang madaling sumuko. Hindi si Lord ang nagwawasak sa iyo. God is not breaking you. Satan wants to break you. But God is making you flexible. So all the struggles and all the pain and all the challenges and all this failure and pressure that you are encountering right now is for you to become a stronger version of yourself. Because after this, you will be stronger. Ang question lang, kaya mo bang matulog when everything else is falling apart? Can you sleep well when your backs are against the wall? Can you sleep well, mga kapatid, kahit hindi maganda ang sitwasyon? Can you sleep well even though you cannot trace God, you cannot see God, you cannot hear God? Can you trust the Lord? Kasi ang sabi ng Bible, God never sleeps. He never sleeps. He never slumber. Ibig sabihin, ang Diyos hindi natutulog. So kung si Lord hindi natutulog at nagtatrabaho for you, nonsense na yung pagiging gising mo. Ba't ka pagising kung gising naman si Lord? Ba't ka nag-aalala kung si Lord naman nagtatrabaho? If God never sleeps, ibig sabihin, pwede kang matulog with confidence. Knowing that God is able, and God will, and God will able. Hallelujah. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, tulog-tulog din pag may time, okay? Pero wag ngayon, wag ngayon. Okay? Prepare your heart. Put your confidence in the Lord.